Elevation Lab launches new Tag Vault fabric AirTag holder. What do I want to put this on? Like a bag or a jacket or something?
Yeah, anywhere.
The Tag Vault fabric is, as the name suggests, made of fabric. It features a fabric holder for the AirTag along with an adhesive base that can stick anywhere. It can mount luggage, purses, bags, jackets, and more. That's pretty cool. So the AirTag will be tucked away. It'll be secured to what it's attached to, and its presence will be less obvious as it will then blend in with other fabrics.
Yeah, instead of having it rattle around.
Yeah, we'll have to find some pocket for it, and maybe you don't have that, or they say the Tag Vault fabric, it can adhere to nylon, polyester, vinyl, rubberized fabrics, and Gore-Tex, and it will reach full adhesion strength after a 24-hour period. So you're going to leave that alone so it can set up properly. It's not designed to work with leather, fibrous fabric, suede, or stretchy fabrics, and while it can be safely removed, it is not meant to be reused. Well, yeah, I know you're going to want to make sure it's in there. Here you can see it attached to a camera bag. I imagine that'd be a pretty obvious place to put one. You got all this expensive camera gear. You can slam one in there. And I think maybe to like the average thief, even if they find the location of it, they might not immediately know what it is. And I guess they could just boot up their little AirTag finder and be like,
sure,
yoink. See you later. You still gotta hide it reasonably well. That's my suggestion.
It's about $14 for one.
And a pack of 2 is $20. A pack of 4 is $29.95. You can get it from their website or on Amazon.
Yeah.